Experience the epitome of coastal living at this secluded shore sanctuary. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath reverse floor plan offers a tranquil atmosphere and a stunning ocean, sound, and marsh view. Located on a spacious private home site where a pool could be added with easy beach access and a perfect blend of modern design and serenity. This captivating residence has an efficient concept with every space utilized. The lower level reveals a new outdoor shower and exterior stairs, providing convenience and functionality for beach living. The first floor offers 3 bedrooms with luxury vinyl flooring, a shared full bath with updated vanity, lighting, and hardware. Also on this level is a covered deck featuring cozy spaces with stunning ocean views, perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. The top level reveals the primary bedroom, a modern chef's kitchen with ample cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious great room with soaring ceilings and glistening hardwood floors. Step onto the screened-in porch to relish the coastal breeze and breathtaking views of Body Island Lighthouse. Upgraded features like hurricane-proof windows, LP Smart siding, and a new Train HVAC system. This home ensures modern comfort and security. Don't miss your opportunity to secure your dream coastal retreat in this serene location. Thank you for joining. If you would like a private tour, please give us a call. And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Have a great day.